friends, welcome to CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today make a soap casing in a Creo parametric option sheet metal. And now set work directory desktop. Okay, new part sheet metal unmark soap case. Now okay, each and mm, then click all dimension in mm. Okay, now top plane, planar in normal. Okay, now center rectangle, choose. Now dimension 120, 150. Now choose a 45, 65. Now okay, now give a thickness 1 millimeter. Okay, now give a couple of rounds, then click engineering. Now engineering round to round and select edge, then 3 mm radius round and click other corner. Okay, okay, now select. Okay, now click. Now see, base are complete. Now flange, choose any edge. Now change degree 60 degree, dimension height 15 mm. Now choose sweep to all edges. Now see preview. Okay, now go to user define, sketch, sketch. Now normal, draw a line in 3-point arc. First of all, line, dimension 30 degree and height 10 millimeter. Okay, now go to 3-point arc. Your dimension 1.50. Go to dimension, center to bottom, distance. Now okay, delete. Now okay, now see preview. Now simply okay. Now choose any edge, flange, choose any edge, select. Now change degree 0 degree and see edge. Now dimension proper, height proper. Now go to 12. Okay, now decrease length of flange -35, I think. Click -35. Now okay, -35. Okay, now simply okay, click. Now sketch and extrude, normal. Now small circle to draw a keyhole. Go to line and joint to circle. Now remove extra edges. Now okay, go to 30 degree, 30 millimeter, 10. Okay, 151 2.50. Now complete. Now center line and center line, select keyhole and mirror. Okay, now see, now okay, now keyhole are complete, but length is more than edit at dimension 30 degree. Now 30 millimeter, now 25 mm. See, now click anywhere. Now complete. Now engineering, round and couple of round. Okay, I think 5 8. Now change dimension. 5. Okay, now select another corner. 5. Okay, 5 are equal, but now click, change 5. Okay, now see. Okay, now go to form sketch, then select form sketch, sketch form, normal, and draw rectangle, center rectangle. Now circle, extra edges, drag. Okay, now dimension 60 mm. Now click 4. Now big 3.53, 3.5, 3.50. Okay, now click simply OK. Then height 1 millimeter. And option, add a taper, angle, so 45 degree, 60 degree, 60. Okay, 60. Now okay. Now simply linear pattern, editing, direction. Now choose any edge. Okay, now reverse direction 4. Okay, now 42 mm. 42. Okay, now complete. Now okay, and see, punch. Now select. Now select and form sketch. Now draw one rectangle, normal. Draw rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, now circle. Now remove extra edges, internal. Okay, now dimension. Now 7 and length to center 3 6. Now okay, height 1.25. Now option, add taper, 0.25, add a taper. Now 45, I think 60. Now okay, complete. Okay, go to editing, pattern, and select direction, choose any edge to okay. Now 3 42. Okay, now complete. Now simply click OK. Now see, now draw one punch type hole. Now extrude, select surface, normal. Now select center line, Now circle, draw circle. Now one another center line, center line. Now circle, now one, now circle, dimension, okay, 5, okay. Now okay, simply click OK. Now see punch type hole or okay. Now click right, okay. Now pattern, now editing pattern, linear pattern, then click a direction, then choose any edge, reverse side, side 3, reverse side 42, and reverse side, okay. Complete. Now click another edge, lower side. Now 2 and 40, 50, okay. Now 2 and 50, 15. Now complete. Now see, okay. Now complete. Now give a appearance. Now first of all unmanned, then see this type of seat are need, and bend back. Now click bend back. Now see, now see clear. Now okay, no okay. Now final product are complete. Then appearance view, can appearance, choose select to view, middle click of mouse, then click appearance, okay. Now see some different, click now okay. Now click okay. Now see, now some difference, then click now complete. Now another appearance, okay. Now select bottom, see, now just isometric view, application, realistic rendering, then see, now theme, now click adjust isometric view, now clear. Now get a render, now maximum sample, render. Complete render. Now see final product, final object. Latest videos, then subscribe, like and share video.